What's up guys, it's NES Man back today, and we are finally filming System Test 18 Part 2 of the Christmas Chimes. So I had a cold for a week or so, just a head cold, so I wasn't feeling too great, and that's why I hadn't recorded it yet. I also have a desk, I'm getting a computer soon, and I have the Christmas lights up. So anyway, let's go ahead and get in the intro, and then start the video. So starting off, same panel, no sync module, same monitoring modules, nothing too special there. In our first pull station, we have the Elenco 51D plastic local Elenco pull station. So really cool device, local alarm, got it from Kadomato. That's about it for that. Same crappy 449 CST GE/ESL smoke alarm. Have this little thing now, just an elevator floor plate over the instructions and the little chalkboard. Same exit sign combo. And the pull station over here is one of my Faraday 10123-1 Arrowhead pull stations. So I like the way it looks here. Everyone's like, oh, get a key for it. I have the screwdriver that fits it and it doesn't slip at all, so it's not stripping it. So don't freak out. Yep, I have that pull station, same indicator. Going up, we have a device I never uploaded the unboxing for, but it is a first generation 2901-9806 from Simplex. Kind of see the label there, but so that is going to be set on temporal code 3 and panel's going to be unplugged, so it runs unfiltered. It's quite loud. Coming in here, didn't change it. It's the same EST Genesis chime strobe, nothing too special. It's EST Genesis sync. That's about it. Coming over to our Christmas lights, we have going up around the annunciator, and I know you all are like, oh, but current induction and all that, it's completely fine. I barely ever leave my system on for more than 30 minutes at once. So we have my 2099-9756 dual action Simplex T-bar pull station, same GER LED-CR, yeah, and the key switch, which I still don't have the relay for. So going up, one other device is the RSS, Wheelock RSS, that's 24 MCW VFR or whatever. I forget the model exactly, and it's on 15 candela. But I like the way that looks right there. So, yeah, so get into the fun part of the video. So I went ahead and put on my hearing protection, so we're just going to go ahead and unplug the panel. Also forgot the push station is still here. And let's go ahead and pull the 10123-1. There we go. And let's go ahead and pull the 2099-9756 in 3, 2, 1. Just had some fun with the 9806 there, but so let's go ahead and pull the 51D as the last pull station. So here we go. Oops, I hit reset. None of the pull stations reset. Whatever. it won't do anything. So let's go ahead and reset the 2099-9756 first. It actually is the 9756 body on a 9754 metal back with the button. Let's see. And the other two are a little trickier to reset than that. 51D just has a replacement screw, which is much longer than it needs to be. So it'll take a second here for it to come out. There we go. And you can see they keep glass rods in there as well. I don't feel like closing it up completely, so I'll leave it like that. And then the 10123-1. It's a little tricky to do one-handed. There we go. And now we can go ahead and reset the panel. And I will be back once it has completely reset. And the last thing I'm going to activate is the crappy smoke detector alarm thing. So we'll just take a magnet, put it on the back side here. It should go now. There we go. God, that thing is awful. And you can see I took the MP12 down, put it down there. The NFW50 fireboard is somewhere else. But let's go ahead. See the indicator down there. I believe that wraps up the system test. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please, oh my God. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out.